Hey guys, hello my beautiful friends. Welcome back to one more new video from me, Mary. I hope you're all feeling well from wherever you are and from wherever you're watching this video from. This is Hyperpix and I'm going to show you how to work with this beautiful metallic chrome text effect and apply it to your logo, text, or use it in any other projects. If you're familiar with our products, this is like all our other ones, and you can just use it with one single click without any problems, without any trouble, without needing to know Photoshop professionally or without needing to hire a designer. So be with us to the end of the video. If you would love to download this template or text effect, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP lifetime membership, access this template and hundreds of different text effects. Before we get started, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Plus, the strong point about this text effect is it's available in all different languages except English. Like this is the Japanese style, and just see how excellent it looks. So there's no limits in the phone or in the language. So let's get started with editing this brilliant style. So to edit, right click on the yellow layer and click edit contents. In the window which appears, you just need to type your ideal text. So I choose my text. If you pay attention, the first and the last characters are a little larger. And if you want the exact same style, you just need to get the first and the last letters separately. Type your text and do the same with the other letters. You can minimize or enlarge your text and have any other control you wish on your text. I also want to edit this text just like this. You can change the font, move around the items, or any other changes you have in mind. So I close this table. Okay, click save to apply this fantastic style. Wow, it looks brilliant and so awesome. Just check out how natural and realistic the colors are and what exact details it gives you just with one click automatically, and that's amazing. I promise you won't find anything like this anywhere in the internet, and you have it right now just with one click and you're the first one to access. So let's get back to the rest of the folders. We have the sparkles folder here, which is these pretty shined, which are created from two colors. One is purple and the other is this fancy blue, which I'm showing you. Apply them in every single part of your text. I'm going to delete all the others except these two fantastic colors. For instance, I'm going to apply the purple here, which is the corner of my text where I want to have a light reflection. I copy with the Alt button and drag all over my text, which makes you very fast in editing and multiplies the beauty. So carry on applying them everywhere until you're satisfied. For example, I'm going to use the blue now. I apply the blue ones here. You're totally free and there's no limit to choose where to have them. So I won't bore you and I won't take your time. I'm sure you know best, but try to use lots of them as much as you can. So the next folder is the styles folder, which contains main layers of this template, and it contains many layers. I suggest you to ignore it because it has so many layers, which can put you in big trouble. The next folder is the lines folder, which is the top and the bottom lines, which you can see here. You can change its text with a double click or just remove it. There's no limits. So the next folder is the lights, which is this pretty light shining from down here, which you can change the color by double clicking on its icon. Every layer is separate, which is a fantastic ability. If you'd like to have the text in PNG, it just needs one click. Just leave the styles folder on and switch the eye off all the others. Just see how beautiful it's turned out into transparent, and it allows you to use this style in all your other designs and projects. So as I promised, I'm going to show you how to turn your logo into this excellent style. I'm so excited. Let's get started. So I get back to this window and insert my logo. Drag it into this part. Remove the other tags, we don't need them. Bring the logo right in the center. Close and hit save till it gets applied. Easy as it seemed and less than in half a minute. Now we just need to put the sparkles back in their right place so we're complete with this brilliant text effect. So we apply them one by one and here we go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to download it, just go to hyperpix.net and get a VIP account and membership to access this style and tons more. Just don't forget to like and support us if you enjoyed, and subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't by now, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye to our next video from Mary.